today we are doing the yearly predictions. That means I am going to do the readings for the year 2022 for the different people who will go choose the various decks which I've set up here in front of you. So basically all you have to do is look at these decks. I've cut the cards already and placed a coin each. Alright, placed a coin each which has already been charged and amplified. So all you have to do is meditate just for a second, take a deep breath, meditate and see which one resonates with you. This is orange with passion. You may not be able to see what is written. If you are able to see clearly, good. So this is agate, black agate with success. This deck has abundance with green aventurine. The other has lapis lazuli with angel. So out of these 4 decks, which is the one that resonates with you, that strikes you and you feel like, yes, this is the one that I want to pick up? I will do your readings basis that. So once you have decided, I will go in this order. So orange for me is deck number 1, deck number 2, deck number 3 and deck number 4. Alright, so now I will start the readings for deck number 1. So all those who have chosen deck number 1, let's see what they have in store. 2022 is a great year, alright? So COVID, yes, but besides that, ऐसा बोलते हैं ना और भी गम है इस ज़माने में. तो अब COVID, yes, it is there. We got to be cautious, we got to take care, but we got to live also. So सुरक्षित रहें, खुश रहें और अपना ध्यान रखें और देखें कि 2022 में आपके लिए क्या क्या है. Okay. So I'm a slow reader. I don't read fast like other people do, but I try to do justice in what I do. For deck number 1, let's see what is it coming. So this is going to be a great year for deck number 1. अगर मैं उनकी readings और उनके cards को देखूं तो the coin chosen was passion. And this is what I see coming over here. In the recent past, there's been a lot of changes, shifts happening in the life. We have seen a lot of past events, people from the past coming in the front. You know, just see, because this is going to be a generic reading. So 90% of the people who've chosen this should resonate with them. In the recent past, in the last 6 months, life has been changing rapidly. There's been a lot of shifts and transformations happening. We have seen people coming from the past and we have seen whatever we have done in the past coming, and we've been reaping the results of what we have done in the past. So that can be an old friend, old love, old relationship coming in front, or associations coming in front, and we would see a lot of changes this year happening because of this last change which has happened in the last 5 to 6 months of when the year 2021 was ending. So now coming forward, when I see, you will see there are 2 facets of the coin. This association is going to be truly new for you. It is going to bring in a great partnership, great alliance. If for people who are looking for a relationship, this person can be from your past, and past, when I say past, this can be from somebody from your past life. Alright, so when I say past life, that means this partner has been your soulmate, may have met you sometime back. You may not have carried forward the relationship or maybe the association, but now it is going to come back with a big bang, and this relationship is now here to stay. It is like two people coming back together with a big bang, lot of attraction, and this is a spiritual union as the card says. And I also feel the energy of the person, and this is going to be your soulmate. For people who are in business, right? So in business, the partner which you choose, because it is also brought in card number 3, which is for partnerships and alliances. So partnerships and alliances which is going to come up, right? In this year, these partnerships and associations are going to be very beneficial. So whether it is business, whether it is your soulmate, whether it's your marriage alliance which you're seeking, in personal life, if you take up a job and you're not looking for a romantic relationship, the job also will be like bringing material harvest to you. It will give you, take you to places, explore all your potential, and that would be the power of the job that you're going to take up this year. So people, all those people who are getting new associations, new relationships, in the card deck number 1, you will see a lot of change. All those things which were pulling you down, bogging you, and things which were not going right, the energy is totally shifted, and now in 2022 I will see a lot of positive changes coming my way. And when I say I'm 100% sure, why? Because I see accelerated motion. Accelerated motion means life moves with tremendous speed. I accelerate, and whatever goals, manifestation plan that I make this year. So check your resolutions. If you have not made concrete resolutions, I am a teacher that way. I always say make concrete plans so that you can, attract them towards yourself. तो हमने क्या करना है, हमने concrete plans बनाने in year 2022 by June this year. This is what I'm going to achieve. And if you have very clear goals in relationship, the partner that we attract, or the job that I want to attract, you will see that yes, you would be able to manifest, and that is what the entire reading is telling you. It's kind of coaxing you to move forward, and this time you will not fail. It is 100% in your favor. So bingo. Now let's quickly move forward to the deck number 2. So people who have chosen success, right? Agate, crystal of grounding, crystal of protection, and taking care of you wherever you are. Your health and your security is the prime importance for this crystal. So let us see what is there in store for people in pile number 2. There are very few cards in your pile. That's strange, but whatever it is, it's vibrating. So let us see the first card, light. January brings triumph and success. We've been trying to do things, and we've been trying to push forward ever since the year ended. So probably November, December may have been a little stressful for pile number 2. You would have been trying hard to attain certain things, but that victory comes in January. And January onwards, we see a lot of positive angelic guidance coming our way. We see opportunities coming our way. We are opening doors to new opportunities, bringing good luck. The third card says the more you look inward for guidance, more you look towards your own strength areas, you will move and accelerate better. So these two cards are technically trying to tell you explore your strength areas, and victory and opportunity is something which you've already got, If not, it is shortly in your way. How you will encash it is basis your own intuition and the guidance which your third eye gives you. So get connected to yourself, believe in yourself. Whatever stress has been pulling you back, it's now time that it is time for you to bounce back. Actually, this has been attracting me a lot. So what is there pulling you is actually now showing itself. Lost association, lost partnership, lost love is something which is bothering you, bugging you, and it has been there in your mind for quite some time. So this year we will try to cut down this energy. This has come as a guidance card because it was kind of looking at me, why don't you pick me up? So this is like, it is time. Sometimes we have to cut down our ties with the things which have been pulling us down. So if that is what is trying to keep you solitary and trying to keep you aloof from the crowd, then we have to surrender few memories of the past, because this is not going to help me move forward. And exactly with the reading has come the card of power. A Leo card always means explore your personal strength, confidence. If something bad has happened in the past, हमारे साथ कुछ छूट गया है, हमारे कुछ साथी छूट गए हैं. So that does not mean life will always keep going like that. There will be new partnerships, new people. Just I did reading for pile number 1. Similarly, what we have in store, we really don't know. Keep up your confidence and the perseverance level. The lion must roar. The lion must roar. Often they tread alone, but that does not mean they don't rear up a family or raise a family. Yeah? So we will get to where we have to reach. Exactly, this is what I've been trying to tell you. March will be very, very productive month. When I say fertility, so people who are in the pile number 2, who are looking for, and success has been your coin, so that means it would be a little delayed. But if you are looking for a dream job and we have been kind of struggling for getting it, or we have been struggling to get that promotion, mind you, March is going to be very, very lucrative for you, because it's announcing itself after a long time, and it says, I will come with full awareness. You keep up your perseverance level, your strength level up, I will come with full strength and full productivity for you. Similarly, people who are seeking alliance and we are looking for a partner, again, the alliance which you attract now is going to be very, very fruitful and positive for you. The only thing again and again coming for this deck is, or rather this pile is, pile number 2. From your success, only 2 things are pulling you back. Past, the memories, and the experiences of the past have disconnected you. So try to resonate to the present, try to live in the moment, and that's how life is going to take you forward to your success. And that's what I feel for this deck. That's what I personally feel for this deck and the people who've chosen pile number 2. I send you all the healing energies from my end to disconnect, take a deep breath, disconnect, make a vow, and move forward and see March onwards how new things come your way. How new things are coming your way. There will be multiple choices. There will be lots of options to choose from, and choose wisely, because sometimes when we are very emotional, very vulnerable, we make few wrong choices, and that is what I have been trying to tell this people who've chosen this deck, this pile. Try to choose wisely, be aware, and that is how we are going to move forward. Wait till March. You will see things totally shifting for you. So choose very, very wisely, because हम जो बीज बोते हैं उसी के हिसाब से फसल काटते हैं. So we reap shall we saw. So try to choose very wisely what is going to be your life path now. I know you people are shifting, you people are making major decisions at the moment and trying to disconnect. It is difficult, easier said than done, but the year ahead is going to be wonderful, and I promise you that prosperity begins. So when prosperity begins and it is there, so why not get into the full awareness of our potential and attract, as I'm saying. So the guidance will be totally, the angelic presence will be totally towards your side. So best of luck. Pile number 2, I'm there with you, and all the healing energy and love coming your way. So now with this, I will quickly move to the pile number 3. Abundance. So people who have chosen abundance, happy. I'm very happy. The readings are going perfect and they're touching my heart. That happens with people who are working with heart chakra. Yeah? Meditating on heart chakra, working with heart chakra, doing the readings also with heart chakra and getting inspired. आज मुझे reading करनी चाहिए. Unless I get that thumbs up from the universe, I don't come up with any fresh video. I've come up with this video. I don't know why. I had no plans. But somehow something clicked, told me, make this video. Okay. So, for all those people choosing abundance, pile number 3, I don't know. I feel this is going to be beautiful. What's happening? What is happening? Pile number 3. What's going on? Certain decisions backfiring. And it is like we've recently suffered or will suffer a heartache. And from a close friend, I will receive a blow. And probably it will bring in a lot of obstacles your way. You'll feel maybe it is now very difficult to move forward and it is breaking your heart. So, the cards are trying to give you a message. When you make choices, choose wisely. Who you choose to be with is very important this year. If you are finalizing an alliance or a partnership with somebody, please take care who that person is. Do you really know the complete details about the person? Can you trust the person enough? Why? Because I see obstacles coming your way. I've drawn a card of root chakra and suffering in silence. So that means because of wrong choices, there may be issues or problems. There may be obstacles coming my way because of which I would suffer some loss. So, choose wisely is what I would say. Another thing, I'm a healer, and that's how cards work with me or for me. What I see over here is there are two basic things why the cards are coming like this. We need to work on the base chakra, root chakra, Mooladhara, and we also need to work on the solar plexus, which is bringing me defeats. People around me are cheating me. They are bringing up time of obstacles and difficult time ahead. I need to manifest. I need to meditate on my base chakra and my solar plexus so that I can make the best of the situation. I need to open this solar plexus, otherwise this situation which I'm attracting right now is full of people where I might face defeat, and projects that I take up, I will see obstacles coming my way, my money will get stuck, and I will have a problem. So people choosing pile number 3 are, why I understand now, have meditated on abundance, because the situation is like this. So when the situation is like this, it's good that we have kept green aventurine on the pile. The situation will improve. We need to open these 2 base chakras. First 3 chakras जो हमारे बॉटम से अप हैं, यानी पहला मूलधारा और मणिपुर चक्रा सीट होता है कॉन्फिडेंस का, पैसे का, फेम का, हमारे एसेट बिल्डिंग का, और हमारे जीवन में अपने आप को, अपनी पर्सनल पावर को एक्सप्रेस करने का। और इस केस में ये दोनों ही डिप्लीटेड आ रहे हैं। सो आई वुड रेकमेंड, प्लीज डू मेडिटेशन, सीड मंत्र चैंटिंग, मेडिटेट, सूर्य को जल चढ़ाएं, इट विल हेल्प यू मूविंग फॉरवर्ड। एग्जैक्टली, तो how the things are going to change. Number 5, how the things are going to change. When we do this, ये तो जो चल रहा है, अब इसको मैंने ठीक कैसे करना है? It's not easy to always sit back and see what is happening, what's the drama happening. I can change it with karma. So change it with karma. As I said, करना क्या है? And secondly, we see soon material harvest or shifts or whatever work I've done in the past bringing me good results, and I now see profitability, I now see good relationships, I now see my hard work bearing fruits. ये कब होगा? मन में सवाल है। ये जून के बाद का टाइम मैं आपको बता पाऊंगी। What is coming to my mind is any time around June and June later. उससे पहले ऑब्स्टिकल्स हैं, इश्यूज हैं। अगर हम इन चीज़ों को ओवरकम करना चाह रहे हैं तो हमें जो मैंने आपको रेमेडी बताई, यू नो, दैट्स मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट। एंड इफ समबडी बिलीव्स इन थर्सडे, तो देन थर्सडे फास्टिंग इट शुड हेल्प। आपके ऊपर है, आपके बिलीफ और आपके फेथ पे सब है। A person like me who take a solar plexus and start to balance it, meditate on solar plexus, that will greatly help you. Soon we see, as I said, June, the card says June, number 6, victory and success. So, my guidance and what I'm reading from the cards for pile number 3 is not to give up at this particular moment. Times are a little tough for you in the personal as well as on the work front. We will see certain difficulties. Try to wear green aventurine along with citrine, solar plexus balancing, root chakra balancing. Express your personal power, be confident, and soon I see success coming your way, and we'll see everything which is you thought is now not going to work is now starts to working, and we are running, and then there is no stopping. All right, so this is what I'm trying to tell you. You are trying to, there are a lot of conflicts, there are a lot of dilemma situations your way. Out of the 2, choose wisely, and what we choose, only the intuition can help you. Only the intuition can help you. If you want an elaborate reading and if this resonates with you, you're most welcome to write to me and I'll do a personalized reading for you. But this is the time of choosing very wisely and not giving up. Working for yourself is the most important part, and I see all the positive card coming your way. Balancing the energy, I've already told you what I'm drawing the cards right now. Destiny, balance, balancing the energy, dilemma situation, choosing wisely is what you're getting. And out of that, the result will be material harvest and victory and success. That's for you, pile number 3. So stay connected, blessings and love from my end. Now quickly we will move to the pile number 4. Angel. So people who have chosen angel, let us see what angelic guidance is coming their way. Why do I feel my life is controlled by somebody? You're feeling as if somebody is trying to control you, and you're feeling as if you need to take control of your life. But the need for you is to technically come into the leadership role. Fear. Who's this person जिससे आप काफी डर रहे हैं? Don't be, because we see in future and in the coming present time, and the cycle is going to soon shift. We have seen certain events around ourselves, certain people taking decisions for us. We have seen people pressurizing us to do things. Because of that, I've lost confidence is the feeling of pile number 4. So, and we are calling up the divine. We are looking up and asking for help. Help is coming your way, but what is it that you're supposed to do? ये जो readings हम कर रहे हैं, these readings are technically, this is already existing. So this is how I shift, and this is the guidance. So I'm just a messenger. Basically, I am being pushed, and I am being pushed to do certain things, and this is making me extremely worrisome. I try to take control of my life in my hand, and I'm trying to break free is the feeling in the heart of pile number 4. But the situation, what I see ahead is totally very, very positive, and I see whatever decisions, even if made by somebody else, look at it very closely. Are they actually trying to bring you down? Are these people trying to control, or they're trying to push you in the direction where you should be heading? So are you taking the guidance in a negative manner? Just try to look back, reflect, because what I see is soon you will get and reach the goal that you want. The relationship or the person in the relationship whom you've been regretting, that why is he in my life? Maybe soon the energy is going to shift, and I would be thankful to our angel guides to bring me a person like that, because the energy or the time is going to be such. So whatever is happening is going to bear a lot of fruitful results in future for me. So file number 4, you got to shed that fearful energy, because nothing wrong is happening in future. Wisdom is the card that you've drawn. So they are trying to tell you to evaluate rather than physically feel and use a lot of brain that I want control. Yes, of course, you get into the leadership role, you make decisions, but are you wise enough to take those decisions? That's the reason somebody else may be taking those decisions, and because of that hard push that you feel, you're going to achieve what you're going to achieve very soon, and the results are going to be very positive for you. Recognitions, promotions, if this is a boss, if this person is a boss, then this boss is the one who's going to get promotion to you. Alright, if this is a husband or wife, then through this person you see a lot of asset building, a peaceful life, and a lot of happiness is coming your way in the family. If this is going to be your partner, then they are not doing any harm to you, is something which I see. It is just that sometimes people are very pushy and they think that you might go wrong, so they take the control in their hand. That may be a shortcoming, but here I see something fruitful coming your way. So please get going. Patience. So if the results, we try to push for results now, in this minute, this is what the other person has promised, it is going to take some time because your energy is such. And soon, triumph is the card that you have drawn. And wonderful, we see exactly what I've been feeling for you. You will come out with bright colors, victory, promotion, a good future, and a fortune. So guidance is all towards yourself. Your angels are towards your side. You've chosen pile number 4, angel, and that's what they've planned for you. So nothing is against you. Everything, even a pushy person, is in your favor. Everything is bright and hopeful for you. And decisions, certain important decisions of investments, I would say postpone it to June and July, and that is when the maximum benefits you will receive. Wonderful. So I see new relationships coming up for people, or this can be a new business setup. So if you are thinking of starting a new business, go for it. If a new relationship have come up in your life in January, wonderful. So this person is going to be the love of your life and the relationship is going to be bang on. So if I am thinking that this may turn toxic, then please don't be. Everything is very, very bright and nice for you. Everything will work around in your favor. Believe in yourself. Intuition is the card that you have drawn. And 2 is the number, so compatibility. This will be the year of your success, and angels are supporting you. Yeah, so lots of love and light your way. Pile number 4. Best of luck to all the piles 1, 2, 3, 4. You all have healing energies coming your way. All the best. Thank you so much. Namaskar. And anybody wants personalized reading, most welcome. If you have any comments on my reading, any feedback, good, bad, most welcome. That's how I will improve. And if you want any specific things to be done in the next time, please do write to me, so at least I know which direction I should be taking. Thank you so much.